Hi, welcome back to Racing and Restoration. On today's video, we're going to be fitting a new exhaust system on this TZR250 and getting about running again after a long winter layout. So stay tuned. Welcome back everyone. Today we're working on a 1992 Yamaha TZR250 with the rear straight exhaust. Now what that means is this is the 3MA, which is the reverse cylinder model, where the exhaust come out the back. Straight out of a Japanese GP paddock, this. Why is it in? So at the end of last year, the owner bought themselves a lovely set of TYGA exhausts for it. Obviously they built them up. He started to strip the bike down and then decided it was a bit much for him. So I said, yeah, let's get them exhausts fitted. Battery's flat, change the battery, things like that. So we'll get on with it, start getting things taken apart, and see how we go. So with the fairings off, you can see the anatomy of a genuine 250 GP derived bike. So carbs are in the front, like the GP bikes used to be, with the exhaust heading straight out the back. Very, very cool. Very rare in this country as well. I had a 2MA, but it seems everyone wants a 3MA, presumably for the rear exhaust. So we'll get it, start getting things unbolted and get on with it. And as easy as that, that's the whole back subframe off. So if you want to fit some track bodywork to that now, all the road gubbins is off. You've now got yourself a little GP racer. How cool is that? Next up, we remove all of these plastic trays, which will give us access to the bolts to get the exhaust off. Now that's all the exhaust loose, we need to get down and get the manifolds off. That's one. 2. And out she comes. That's a big exhaust. So on the flanges they are marked left and right, which is quite nice, left and right. So that saves us a bit of time in working out where everything has to go. So how nice are these TYGA exhausts? They are lovely. I have a set of these on my RGB. They are very, very nice. The one thing they have done is, with this being a reverse cylinder, they've put O-rings in the manifold to stop any, obviously to seal the gases, but stop any oil coming back down the pipe and leaking all over the back of the engine. So we'll get a little bit of rubber grease on there, help it slip on, and we'll get them fitted. Oh, they are tight fit. There we go, she's going on now. Lovely. That bracket, just in case we've got to give it a bit of wiggle room. The front pipe's done up, it's very, very tight just here. Doesn't touch, but it is very tight. So I've just got to get the left one done now. Quite handily with all these TYGA kits. They give you all the nuts, bolts and washers, fasteners and brackets. So it is quite a direct fit. I wouldn't say it's plain sailing, but it makes it a lot easier if you don't have to go hunting around for brackets and little bits of metal and things to make things fit. It's a good job I've got small fingers. There we go, we're in. Well, famous last words, but I dare say that'll fit lovely. So it's time to start putting the rear subframe back on, the tray that covers everything, and yeah, we'll start getting some bodywork on her. And now we have the pipes all fitted up nice and tight. They look absolutely gorgeous. How lovely do they look? So I'm gonna start putting the bodywork back on. It did run when he put it away for winter, so yeah, I think I'll start with a tank and then I'll put the main fairing on once I fit the new battery to it. Well, it definitely sounds a lot better than it did with the standard exhaust. That'll be all for this video. The owner's about to come pick the bike up, take it away. He's booked in for a dyno next week just to check it over. But that'll be ready for the summer. We've already talked about having a ride out this summer. Him on the TZR, me on my RGV, and another friend of mine has a KR1. So we're going to do a mass ride out and video that. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. See you later.